family, it's your girl Jay from Jay So Tastic. So what? I don't know, but we doing some upcycling, some sewing, and some DIY on here. And I thought I'd come today and share this video with you guys of what I've been up to already starting in January. Happy New Year to everybody out there. I just want to say thank you to all my new subscribers. Welcome to the channel. I hope you enjoy the content. I planned on being more teachable this year. That is what I'm planning on doing, but I just wanted to share with you guys a completed project. I did not record it, but I wanted to share you where I'm at because I am practicing a new hobby with resin. So I just wanted to share with you guys how they came out. I'm getting better, and I'm using these as fabric weights. So I'm getting better. There's one, and I found these butterflies at the Goodwill for 99 cents. So I put them inside the resin. And yeah, that's how they look on the back. They're just plain. And then here are two more. And they are pretty heavy. They're heavy, y'all. So they came out pretty good. I love them. I think they are so beautiful. They're a little odd shape, but they're heavy. They are heavy, and that's what I want them for, pattern weights. And as I get better, maybe I might try to sell them or give some away as a, token of supporting your girl, because I do appreciate y'all. So I just wanted to share that with you. So let's get into this video and see what I've been up to in 2025 already. See y'all over there in the next clip.
I wake up every day as flesh and bones, humbled alone, weak on my own. Lord,
Before, look at the jacket. I bought it from the Goodwill.
You need me where I am, still high on your throne. I look up to you in all I do. You're my
All right, so y'all get the before. Okay. Here's a piece of blue jean fabric that I had. And I want to add it to the jacket, just so y'all can see what it looks like first. Pretty much. It's all wrinkled, I know, but okay. So, hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Jay. And this is the last thing I'm working on for 2024. This blue jean jacket back here. I wanted to cut the base off of it and then add this fabric that I showed you in the picture earlier to the bottom of it as like a drape. So that's what I'm trying to do. Hopefully it'll work out the way I wanted to. But yeah, so we're just gonna get on into it, y'all, so y'all can see what's going on. So
I just wanna I wake up every day as flesh and bone.